Well, well, well. Look who's decided to step into the world of cigar aficionados. Welcome to another episode of our journey into the world of fine cigars. I'm your host, guiding you through the rich aromas and complex flavors that make this realm so enticing. Today, we're diving into a topic that's simply fascinating: cigar shop etiquette. You see, a cigar shop isn't merely a place to buy cigars. Oh no, it's a sanctuary, a place where enthusiasts can share their love for this sophisticated pleasure. But like any sanctuary, there are rules. And today we're going to unveil those rules, the 7 golden rules for mastering cigar shop etiquette, to be precise. So grab your favorite cigar, pour yourself a glass of fine whiskey, and prepare for the 7 golden rules for mastering cigar shop etiquette. Let's embark on this journey together, shall we? Rule number 1, engage with knowledgeable staff. It's easy to feel a bit overwhelmed when first stepping into a cigar shop. The array of choices, the nuanced flavors, the subtle distinctions. But fear not, friends. The staff in these shops are more than just salespeople. They are curators of an experience, guides on your journey into the world of cigars. They stand ready to help you navigate through the labyrinth of choices, armed with a wealth of knowledge about each cigar's origin, the blend of tobacco, the strength, and the flavor profile. They can guide you whether you're searching for a full-bodied smoke with hints of espresso and dark chocolate, or a milder choice with notes of creamy vanilla and toasted almonds. Engaging with these knowledgeable individuals isn't just recommended, it's a vital part of the cigar shop experience. They're like the cigar whisperers, guiding you to your perfect match, one puff at a time. Now, let us gently explore rule number 2, cherishing the lounge space. This is not simply a room, it is a sanctuary, a refuge, designed especially for those who appreciate the understated elegance of cigar smoking. Immerse yourself in the lounge space, enveloped by the comforting embrace of plush leather chairs, the soft dim lights casting a soothing shadow. This is sacred territory. It's a place where we congregate to appreciate the robust symphony of flavors in meticulously crafted cigars, to engage in tranquil reflections, or perhaps gently immerse into poignant, hushed dialogues. Respect here is paramount, and it's embodied in the soft whisper of conversations, making sure it does not escalate to the raucousness of a sports bar. It's about the gracious sharing of this space, refraining from staking out an entire corner for oneself. And it's about nurturing the space, thoughtfully ashing your cigar in the designated areas, not treating it with the indifference of a street side. The lounge space in a cigar shop is a sanctuary for relaxation, a place to find peace and pleasure. Remember, we're here to unwind and decompress, not stir up a commotion. Rule number 3, master the art of cutting and lighting. Now, this isn't just about looking cool, folks. There's a real art to preparing your cigar for the perfect smoke. First up, cutting. You want to make a clean, straight cut just above the capo line. Be confident but careful. A bad cut can unravel your cigar or cause it to draw unevenly. Now on to lighting. This is not a race, my friends. Take your time. Use a butane torch lighter or a wooden match for the best results. Hold the foot of the cigar at a 45-degree angle above the flame, but don't let them touch. Gently rotate the cigar as you toast the foot. You're aiming for an even, glowing ring around the edge. Once it's nicely toasted, place the cigar in your mouth, apply the flame once more, and take a slow, steady puff. And there you have it, a clean cut and a gentle toast. That's all it takes to ignite the perfect smoke. Rule number 5, share the wealth. Now let's set the scene, shall we? You're lounging in your favorite leather chair, a rich, velvety cigar between your fingers, surrounded by like-minded aficionados. Suddenly the door swings open and in walks a fellow enthusiast, empty-handed. What's a true cigar connoisseur to do in this situation? Of course, you extend a welcoming hand, offering them a seat and a smoke from your personal collection. This isn't just about puffing on rolled leaves. It's about community, camaraderie, and sharing in the wealth of experiences that only a good cigar can provide. There's a certain joy in seeing someone else's face light up, both figuratively and literally, as they take their first puff of a cigar you have generously shared. Remember, my friends, generosity is the mark of a true connoisseur. Rule number 6, pace yourself. Now this rule is a crucial one, my friends. You see, in the world of cigars, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and find yourself rushing through each puff. But let me tell you something. A cigar isn't just a quick smoke, it's an experience. It's a journey of flavors, from the first light to the last puff. So when you light up that cigar, remember this, it's not a race. There's no finish line waiting for you. Instead, there's a world of flavors waiting to be discovered, to be savored. Each puff is a step on this journey. Take your time. Let the smoke fill your senses. Let the flavors unveil themselves one by one. Relish in the moment. Take your time. Savor each puff. And let the flavors dance on your palate like a smooth jazz melody. And finally, rule number 7, gratitude. As we journey through the world of cigar appreciation, it's essential to remember one thing above all else. That's gratitude. It's the thread that ties all these rules together, the final touch that makes the experience truly sublime. Think about the knowledgeable staff who guide you through the vast world of cigars, the fellow enthusiasts who share their wisdom and experiences, the lounge space that provides a haven for all of us to unwind. Take a moment to appreciate all of this. A simple thank you to the staff, a pleasant nod to a fellow enthusiast, or a kind word about the lounge can go a long way. It shows respect and appreciation, 2 qualities that are highly valued in the cigar world. So, as you step out of the cigar shop, filled with new experiences and richer in knowledge, remember to leave behind a trail of gratitude. Thank the staff for their expertise. Raise a glass to your fellow enthusiasts. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cigar wisdom.